Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you the best application to run on your ONN 4K stick, 4K, and the 4K Pro. It doesn't matter. Also Show Me boxes, also Google Streamer boxes, also TCL TVs like this one with Android TV, Sony Android TV, or any Android TV that's out there selling, okay? It's the same process, the same steps. As long as you're running Android TV, you can get this done easily. Now, why am I showing this on TV 4K, you ask me? Well, because the Google Streamer is a little bit more expensive, and I think this is the best value for $1, okay? These are really good. They sell at Walmart. I'll link the product if you're perhaps looking to switch away from the FireStick. Perhaps FireStick has been hectic lately, giving a lot of people issues. So let me know your thoughts. Are you on the ONN 4K? Are you still in the process? Are you gonna roll over or switch to the ONN 4K? Or are you just gonna keep pulling on that FireStick until it just literally stops working, okay? So I use FireStick as well. As you see, I have a lot of videos on my channel about FireStick. I still use it, but I'm really loving this box, okay? So as you see here, I'm logged in here into my account, okay? The box is activated, and now I'm gonna show you how to get the best application. It's gonna give you movies, TV shows, and television, okay? So here I am. The first thing you wanna do once you're on your box and you're turned on here, you wanna go to the search here, and you can search for movies and more and stuff like that, but we wanna go straight to apps. We don't wanna search for movies. Once you're in apps, you want to click down to search for apps and games. Now in this area, you want to click inside. Once you click inside, it'll bring up a keyboard for you, and you want to search for the following app. Let's search for this app here. Okay, I'm going to type it in, just the whole entire word. And this is by far the easiest way to load our ONN TV. Super easy, super simple, okay? Let's hit that search button right there. That's going to search for our application, just like that, this one. When it finds it, make sure you get the right one. You'll see a lot of junk here that's trying to be this app, okay? This one's by AFT News. Right here, you'll see it. It says the big white D right on here, and it says this word, okay? Click on that. It's going to take you to the next menu. On this one, you're going to press the install button, and this is going to be super easy. I'm going to give you one little URL, one code that's going to get you going, okay? No need to put in 50 codes for this app, 50 codes for this app. It's all going to be in one place. Once you do that, simply just press the open button. Now this application will come up. It looks something like this. You see I have a little red cursor, and I'm able to move that red cursor around, and I'm going to move it all the way up here, click into this yellow highlighted field, and simply put in the following URL. So I'm going to put in this exact URL that I'm putting. Very simple to do. Okay, and this should get you sorted. It's going to get a wizard that's going to walk us through and get us going. Now once you put that URL right into this box, all you want to do is press that little check mark here on our keyboard, and you'll notice that it'll start downloading it. It's already done. Super quick. When it downloads, it'll come up and say, hey, listen, we can't install apps here, but you know, this ain't Amazon Fire Stick. So we just basically hit settings, okay? And it takes us to install unknown apps right away, and we flick the downloader to the on position. Now when we do that, automatically you'll say that it wants to install the wizard, which we'll press install. And it's that simple, that easy to do things. Much easier, in my opinion, than on a Fire Stick. Let's open that up. And when that opens up, you'll see our wizard here pull up. And when it pulls up, it tells us some basic information, like, are we plugged into a wall power adapter? Well, let me check. We are. I got a plug right there. And I'm plugged right in, because from the USB port running the ONN 4K is almost impossible. I know the Fire Sticks used to run off the USB port on your TV. Don't run your Android boxes or your devices from the actual USB port on your TV. There's just not enough power. Okay, so I'm on wall power. I'm going to click on that. I'm on the ONN TV Box. Okay, great. I'm going to press the continue button. Okay, now it says we have to do these 2 steps on our ONN TV, and it tells us exactly what to do. So open Play Store, tap Play Protect, turn off Scan Apps with Play Protect, turn off Confirm, then press back. So let's do the first step, open Play Store. We click on that, takes us right to the Play Store. And once you're in the Play Store, you want to go here to your profile icon right there. And once you're there in the profile icon, click on it. It takes you to this secondary menu. Go to here, Play Protect, and slide it off. And that slides it off. Now click the backward arrow, and the backward arrow, and the backward arrow, and the backward arrow 4 times. Now you see it takes us to the step of 2 now. So let's open settings. It's very simple. And the step 2 is simply flicking this to the on position, just like that. Now once we do that, hit the back arrow, and it takes us back to the wizard to check our storage. So we can now proceed to the next step. Okay, we have enough storage. I got this 11 gigabyte on TV, and I got 9 gigs free here. Let's press continue. It checks VPN status, and we don't have a VPN installed and set up. So we're gonna choose IPVanish from the list. This is the one I'm recommending. So let's choose IPVanish. Now it's gonna take us to another menu, and you'll see a little barcode here. And you see here some details. Now, what this does is get you signed up for a VPN. Like, you ask me, New Tech, why would I need a VPN? Well, you need a VPN to get our store to Best Store, to get our apps, to get more content, more links in our apps, to get things to open up and work. Unfortunately, there has been a lot of things happening, and we cannot even download the store sometimes because some internet service provider rules and things like that that does not allow us to really download some files and content, okay? So, to get around that issue and to be able to download things and to have the apps update on you to access the store with over 60 applications, premium applications, we'll need to run a VPN, and that's going to keep you anonymous. It's going to keep you protected. Now you ask me, can I run this on one device? Well, you can run it on FireSticks, on TV, NVIDIA Shields. You can run it on the laptop, PC. One account keeps you covered. A lot of people ask me sometimes, and they say, New Tech, do I need several accounts if I have 5 on TVs at home? For content and stuff like that? No, you only need one account, and you can run it on as many devices as you want. Now this gives us more content, more access, and more stuff on our ONN 4K. Okay, so to get started, it's very simple. Scan this QR with your iPhone, with your Android phone. Super simple to do. And now once you do that, what's going to happen, it's going to take you to a landing page, and I want to be very transparent. It's going to give you 80% off. So that means you'll get this for $2 and change. It's a cup of coffee per month to give you full protection to stream anonymously and have no headaches at all getting this going, okay? And being able to connect to the store and get the apps, okay? So scan this barcode to get that 80% off through the special affiliate link. There's also a link in the pinned comment description. Now, when you're on that landing page, make sure you fill in your email address, create a password when you sign up for your package. They'll email you after, and all you have to do is confirm your email account that you signed up with, and you'll be ready to go. Now, pause the video to take care of that, if you need to take care of that, and sign up. And once you've signed up, let's continue and say, I've signed up and continue. So I have an account. I'm going to sign up and say, I've signed up and continue. I'm going to click on that. It's asking me, do I have an account? I'm going to say, yes, continue. And the beautiful part, it takes us right to the Play Store to get IPVanish. We're going to click on it to download it. And it's going to download our IPVanish VPN right here. It's going to install it. And when it installs, we're just going to open it up. And it's going to be super easy to do now, okay? Let's press that open button. It's going to open that up, and it's going to look something like this, okay? Now, from this menu, all you have to do is press that login button. Now, remember from our first step, we got our email signed up and we got our password, and we noted that information down. But if you haven't signed up yet, you still have this opportunity to save more than 80%, just like in the previous step. Also, in the pinned comment description, there is a link if you don't want to scan QRs, and it takes you to exactly same landing page, same deal, same discount, and same setup for this great application. This works the best with our application. So I'm going to log into my account. You would just put in your email, put in your password, press the login in the same way. To obtain your login and password, simply scan this QR here, like I said in the previous step, or go to the link in the pinned comment description, sign up there. You're going to get more than 80% off through this affiliate link, and you're going to be able to save more than 80%. It's $2 and change. It's a cup of coffee per month for full access. And not only that, but full anonymous protection, streaming and doing things anonymously through these applications, okay? So I'm gonna log in with my details and press the login button, and I'll show you the next steps, the details, how to set this up, the servers and things like that to get this running for our application, okay? So here I am logged into the account, and you'll follow the same process as I'm doing here when you're logged into yours. All you have to do is hit the gear icon right here. You want to say connect on Android startup, flick it to the on position, okay? Go to auto connect on launch, flick it to the on position as well. VPN protocol, make sure we are on the WireGuard protocol, which is fine. Click back, go to location right there, click on that. And from countries, we want to scroll all the way to the United States. So let's scroll down to the United States. Okay, a lot of scrolling here. Click on United States, say favorite United States and click on that, and then click on it again and say connect to United States. Now what you will see is this pop-up. You want to press OK on this pop-up, and you're going to see a couple of things happen here. Okay, it's going to turn green, and now we're fully connected. And now we get this little notification on Android TV telling us that our VPN is on. Now, if you're anywhere in the world and you're doing this on any Android TV or on 4K, make sure you always pick the US server. Okay, that's going to give us the most content. Okay, let's press the home button once we're done that. And you can see that we have our apps here. So we can go to apps right here, and we have all the apps that we have installed. So we got the IPVanish running, and we can go back to the wizard now. When we go back to the wizard starts back up again. It starts thinking for us. And it says, you're connected, you're secure to Seattle, United States. That's exactly what we wanted. We're going to press the continue button. It's going to take us to the next step. Now you have several stores here. Now for this second store, the code is always lowercase FireStick. It's also being updated, but I recommend the first store. So let's do the first store here. And you can get as many as you want, but I'm going to get one for our presentation purposes. Once you highlight the first store, click on it. This will start downloading the store right away. You'll see it pulling it down just like that. And then it's going to say, would you like to install this app? And we're going to say, yes, install. And it's going to install our application, and it's complete. And going to press the continue button. It's going to ask us if we want to install the other store. If we wanted to, we could do that very easily, but we're going to say skip, I'm done, just for saving you guys time during this presentation. It's going to test our connection to make sure if our VPN is fast enough. It's great for 4K content, so it means our server is working correctly. So once that's done, press the continue button, press the continue, and continue to home, just like that. Now you'll see it here. We have our IPVanish protection, and we've got our store. So once we're done that, all we have to do, and if we wanted to, we could restart the setup process. If we wanted to restart it for some reason, if we didn't get the store, we didn't sign up for the VPN, we could restart the process, but we're all done. It's all working. We have it under my apps, okay? And then there's some quick tips, okay? And that's pretty much it. Press the home button, and you'll notice that we have our store installed, and we can launch our store right away. So let's launch our store. When we launch it, it'll say, we need some permissions here. So we're going to say open settings. It's going to take us to the permissions, and we're going to flick this to the on position in the permissions. We're going to click the backward arrow, and it's going to start up our store. Now, when we're in our store, you'll see a lot of things here. You'll get a pop-up here, and you can scan this if you want to watch my videos, some of my videos. Close the pop-up, and we're going to go here, and we have a lot of categories, but we're going to go to my best app category, and the app we want to install is this one. This is one of my favorite apps. And just click on it, and you'll see the app just loads, and it starts to download, okay? Once it finishes downloading, you can see the speeds are incredible. We'll just press the install button here, and it just installs the application just like that. It's going to say turn on Play Protect. Google Play Protect regularly checks your apps and devices for harmful behavior. You'll be notified of any security risks found. And we're just going to decline on that, because if we turn to Google Protect, we're going to have issues. The apps are not going to install, some of them, okay? They're clean of malware and things like that. It's just false positives for some of these applications, okay? I'm going to press done on that, and that installs our application. Now, if you wanted more applications, you can go back to any time to any categories right here, and you can click through these categories here for all your applications. So I got all these applications here, all these categories. I recommend checking on my best apps. You're not only going to find this best application, but you're going to find over 60 incredible applications that are always up to date. I got my sections all set up here. You're gonna find lots of content. Pretty simple to do. You've seen how fast I've installed this app, and you can fully load everything just right from here. Now, if you go here and you go to settings, I'll show you a couple of things. If you want to get new updates for this applications, all you would have to do is just reset app data. That would refresh the store, and then you would get the new links and the new applications. It's that simple. And then browse your categories and get ready to go. My best apps is a great one to start with. So if you hit home, you'll notice that our application is here and it's working. It's ready to go. Okay. Now, I'll show you for this entire process. I had my VPN on. If you haven't signed up for this application to work the best, it works the best with IPVanish. It's got a lot of sections, and most of the sections require a VPN. Therefore, I recommend, like I said, IPVanish. If you haven't signed up in the wizard in the process, you can just simply scan this QR here or go to the link in the pinned comment description. With your camera, you can scan the QR. That'll take you to the landing page, and this will cost you $2 and change. I'm just being very transparent. There's $2 and I believe 19 cents per month. It's going to keep you protected, keep you anonymous, keep you safe, get those apps functioning, get all the updates, and you can use this on unlimited devices, as many as you'd like in your house. Works on all devices, iPhones, Android phones, NVIDIA Shields, Google streamers, FireSticks, ONN TV 4K boxes, MacBooks, Intels, PCs, all across the board, okay? So, get that discount if you haven't signed up. If you have signed up, great. I thank you for that, because I do get a little bit of commission, which helps a lot. And if this helped you, all these tools that I build out, the wizards and all this stuff, it really helps me if you guys sign up through the affiliate link if you're looking for a VPN access. Also, I'd like to mention, some people ask me, will this work with any other VPN that you already may have? Yes, it does. It will work. But I do recommend IPVanish. I think it works best with it, and I do get really good speeds with IPVanish. Okay, that's pretty much it. Just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please let me know in the comments. I haven't put a pin lock on my store yet, but in the future, if I put a pin lock, 4-digit pin, like like an ATM pin, comment right below this video, right in the comments section. Drop a comment, say, hey, hello, I'm John, I like pizza, I like dogs, I like cats, whatever you want to say. And if I do put a pin lock, I reply to all those comments automatically to you guys, and I'll let you know the new pin number if there's ever a pin number, okay? Also, you should hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, because every time I release new apps in my store, you'll get a notification first. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, I'll send out a short, or send out a message, or I'll send out a video showing you, displaying that new application, and you'll get the best apps ever, and you'll be the first ones to hear about it. Usually I release these apps first. People hear about it first through me, and then you'll see it all over YouTube and other people's stores, right? So that's the way to do it. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and one last thing I'd love you guys to do, share it with a family or friend. That would be incredible. If you could share my videos with family and friends, that helps me out tremendously. That's a new subscriber. That's a new person that you helped out with, and they get going and they're happy with the setup and they get a lot of content and things like that, and you're happy and they're happy. Why not share with family and friends? Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care and enjoy the weather, and hopefully you're having good weather. Take care.